Hello everyone, this is Tanuja Pradhan. A warm welcome to all of you in my food channel, Sunshine Flavors. Today we will be making Sabudana Kheer or Tapioca pudding. This is made from Sabudana or what we call as Tapioca in English. For this, wash about 3/4 cup of Sabudana 2 to 3 times till you get clear water above it. Then soak it overnight with just a little water above it, maybe about 1 centimeter. Alternatively, you can soak it in very hot water for about 30 to 45 minutes before cooking. But soaking it overnight is always definitely recommended. Now, to make the Sabudana Kheer, take 1 cup of soaked Sabudana in a heavy bottomed pan. Add 1 cup of water to it and boil it for about 4 to 5 minutes on medium heat. Boil it till Sabudana turns transparent and the water turns whitish. Now add 2 cups of milk to it. Add 6 tablespoons of sugar or as per your choice. Add 2 pinches of saffron strings. Add 1 teaspoon of almond powder. Add 1 teaspoon of cashew powder. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of pistachio powder and mix it well. Bring it to a boil, then cook on low heat for about 4 to 5 minutes or till the kheer thickens. Turn off the heat and let it cool down a little bit before serving. Garnish it with saffron strings and pistachios or pistachio powder. Yummy, healthy Sabudana Kheer or Tapioca pudding is now ready to serve. It is usually made during religious fastings or Vrata. It is very nutritious for babies, toddlers and lactating mothers. It can be served warm as a breakfast or chilled as a dessert. If you like this video, do subscribe to my food channel Sunshine Flavors. Hit the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Do click the like button and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching this video and do check out the other videos on this channel. Thank you.